Hey guys, welcome to first lecture of the chapter Poverty in India. Now as usual we'll start with the meaning of poverty. See now what's meaning of poverty as per the old scenario, that means as per the traditional concept, poverty means when a person is unable to satisfy his basic requirements of life as food, clothing, shelter, even the health and education is also considered. So, if a person is unable to satisfy the basic requirements of life, then we are saying that the person is living in poverty, or even the particular section of the society is living in poverty. So, that is the conventional meaning, conventional sense. Whereas nowadays, as per the modern definition, the poverty we are considering multidimensional phenomenon. That means we are considering the concept of poverty two ways, both. That is material ways as well as non-material ways. Now here again material dimension means here we are considering the basic requirements for survival, the basic minimum facilities, that is food, clothing, shelter, health, education, water facilities should be there, electricity, sanitization facilities should be there. So these are called material requirements. So if a person is unable to satisfy these material requirements, then we say that this is material dimensional poverty. And one more concept is added, that is non material dimension. Here we are considering the social discrimination. Now, as all of us know, people are treated differently in society. A poor person is treated differently, and a rich person is treated differently. Rich people are given, they are having more status in the society. They are considered as high value people, whereas poor people, they are deprived of many facilities at many places likewise. So that social discrimination is called as non-material dimension. I hope the point is clear. I repeat the meaning once again in short. Meaning of poverty we are considering in two senses. So in the conventional sense, in the old pattern, poverty refers to a situation in which a major section of the people in the society are unable to fulfill even the basic needs of life due to their insufficient income or due to their less income. So if basic facilities, basic needs are not fulfilled, then people are said to be living in poverty. That was the old criteria. Now, as per the new modern society, we have multidimensional criteria in which both material and non-material dimensions are considered. Material relate to food, clothing, shelter, health, education, electricity, water, sanitation facilities, etc. Whereas non-material dimensions are associated with social discrimination. I hope the meaning is clear. Write both the meanings in shortcut. Now let us move on to concepts of poverty. See, here we are considering concepts of poverty basically into two major concepts, two major classification. One is absolute poverty, that means actual poor, and the other one is relative poverty, that means comparative poverty. Now what is absolute poverty? Let us go to the meaning directly. See, this is measured in terms of minimum calorie intake. So planning commission determined that if a person in the rural area is unable to take 2400 calorie per day from his daily food intake, and in the urban area if a person is unable to take 2100 calorie intake from his daily food intake, that means the person is living in poverty. So absolute poverty is stated in terms of calorie intake. I have written on the board in the red pen 2400 calorie in the rural area and 2100 calorie in the urban area. Now you might feel why there is a difference in calorie. See, very simple logic behind it. It is considered, and it is true, in rural areas they got more hard work. Physical work, hard work, efforts are more as compared to urban areas where we are not doing that much actual hard work. Here we have to use more of brain. We are sitting and we are using more of brain. So that's why there is a calorie intake difference. So I repeat and I explain in shortcut. Absolute poverty. If a person is unable to earn that much income with which he is not able to take that much food intake, which will provide him 2400 calorie in rural areas and 2100 calorie in urban area, That means a person is living in the absolute poverty. Now let us see what to write. Absence of minimum income to satisfy the desired level of calorie intake of food is a situation of absolute poverty. Suppose a person is unable to earn at least such income that he is unable to take the minimum food requirement, then the person is said to be living in absolute poverty. Now, this is really a serious situation. It's a serious problem for the country to solve. And for this, country is taking many measures which we will be learning next in our chapter in the coming lectures. So absolute poverty is a serious problem for the country. Now second concept is relative poverty. From the word itself we come to know relative means comparative. That means people are doing comparisons with each other and we feel that we are poor. For example, I give you directly simple example. Suppose one person is earning 5 lakh per month, whereas his friend other person is earning only 2 lakh per month. Then the person who is earning 2 lakh per month, that friend will feel that he is very poor. But let me tell you, in reality, if you consider this in today's date, 2 lakh is also sufficient income and it's not that the person is actually poor. But when we compare ourselves with others, we feel that we are poor. Now, when the person earning 5 lakh compares himself with the 10 lakh per month income, then he feels that he is poor. I hope you got the point. So, relative poverty is not a problem actually, and this poverty exists in all the countries. Now, let us see what to write. Relative poverty. It's difficult to define. It is judged on the basis of comparison of relative standards of living of different sections of the people and different income level. Such poverty is found in all the countries of the world and it's universal. It's not a serious problem and it can't be completely eradicated. It cannot be removed because it's not a problem actually. I hope you got the point. So, with this, in today's lecture, we learned the meaning, we learned the concepts, absolute poverty and relative poverty. So, that's it for today. With this, the lecture is over. If you understood this, then do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.